Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a LEGO Tesla Cybertruck. First, gather all your necessary LEGO bricks. You will need many flat panels, angled pieces, and sturdy connectors to capture its distinctive look. Begin by studying the Cybertruck's unique angular design. Planning is crucial, so consider the scale you want and whether you'll follow existing instructions or create your own custom model. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and successful building experience. Accurately build your Cybertruck. Focus on key LEGO elements. Technic pins and axles are vital for creating a robust frame, ensuring your model holds together. Wedge plates and slopes are indispensable for replicating the vehicle's sharp, futuristic angles. Don't forget transparent bricks for the windows and headlights, adding a touch of realism. Finally, a strong chassis built with sturdy base plates and beams provides a solid foundation for the entire structure. Now let's construct the Cybertruck's iconic shape. Start by building the large, flat, triangular roof and the angular side panels. These pieces define its unique silhouette. Next, carefully attach the distinctive front fascia and the rear tailgate sections, paying close attention to their sharp lines. Finally, add the wheels and tires, making sure they are proportionate to your model. You can also integrate interior details like seats and a steering wheel for added realism. Once the main build is complete, it's time to personalize your LEGO Cybertruck. Feel free to experiment with different colors beyond the traditional silver to create a unique variation. Consider adding custom stickers or printed tiles to replicate branding or add your own flair. Always reinforce connections to ensure your model is durable and can withstand handling. Finally, find a prominent spot to display your impressive, custom-built LEGO Cybertruck for everyone to admire.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.